When it's cold and grey outside, we need creativity especially strongly. Today we will create cozy and even a little bit magical winter illustrations. The process of creating them is not just drawing. It is a story about forest characters or about you. It is an opportunity to create a stop-motion video for your social networks. And Christmas cards for your friends. Yes, we will paint with watercolor. But besides it, we will need scissors, glue, and even a thread with a needle.
I'm Olga Bonitas, an absolute watercolor lover, and I'll show you 3 step-by-step processes and tell many ways you can change these illustrations to make them as personal as possible.
The ideas from this class will bring something fresh and unusual in your own projects. Any skill level is able to do it. Be sure you can manage with it.
So let's get started and do magic.